burn body fat, and safeguard against obesity with prescription HGH. One of the biggest health issues in the first world today is obesity. As food scarcity becomes a distant memory for the vast majority of Americans, the issue has now become how to deal with the overabundance of food available. Obesity is a severely dangerous medical condition, which endangers health and longevity in a multitude of ways. It increases the likelihood of dying from heart attack, stroke, diabetes, and many other conditions by a staggering amount. Healthy changes in lifestyle and diet can go a long way, but for aging men and women, these healthier choices may not be as effective, and many patients may be able to benefit from modern medicine in combination with their healthier lifestyle choices. Hormone balance plays a huge role in body fat metabolism. When we are younger, our bodies burn fat and maintain a healthy body weight more easily. As we age, we become significantly more prone to gaining weight, especially in the most dangerous and unhealthy places, the midsection. Have you ever wondered why men and women get more prone to obesity from the age of 30 onward? In large part, the answer is somatopause, or age-related human growth hormone deficiency. Somatopause is the time in a person's life when the ongoing decline in HGH levels begin to lead to symptoms which impair health and vitality. The condition manifests itself in a variety of ways, including fatigue, depression, weakened immune system, and more. One of the most devastating ways that human growth hormone deficiency diminishes wellness is through its effect on body fat metabolism. Healthy human growth hormone levels associated with the 20s help maintain a balance which encourages sustained muscle mass while also contributing greatly to the body's ability to burn calories. When HGH levels are abundant, the body is working at an ideal capacity, which encourages the body to burn stored energy from body fat more readily. As growth hormone levels fall, the body uses less energy and also becomes more prone to utilizing body fat as a last resort form of energy. Human growth hormone production falls at a slight yet unshakable pace of around 1 to 2% each year, beginning sometime around the age of 30. This means that you won't notice a lot of change, if any, from year to year. But by the time you are 60 years old, your growth hormone levels will have dropped to only around 1/5 the amount that was associated with the prime of your life during the 20s. All of these factors combine in a way which makes it really easy to gain weight and much more difficult to burn fat. This is one reason why people that live the same lifestyle and have the same caloric intake inevitably gain weight the older that they get. With every passing year, it takes more energy and more effort to maintain a healthy weight. As human growth hormone deficiency worsens, it becomes increasingly difficult to lose weight. For patients suffering from the effects of hypogonadism, bioidentical HGH shots can help patients lose weight more easily. HGH therapy shouldn't be considered solely as a weight loss drug, but for patients suffering from somatopause, losing weight is just one of the many benefits that are common among HRT patients. HGH injections also encourage weight loss because of the effect that human growth hormone has on cholesterol and triglycerides. Human growth hormone travels to fat cells where it stimulates the body to metabolize triglycerides, which has a positive impact on total body fat. This process also aids in the prevention of excess accumulation of body fat by adipose tissue. This helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and maintains an increased amount of available potential energy without ever having to store it as pesky fat. By restoring normalized growth hormone levels, it not only increases ambient metabolism, it also increases energy levels and improves mood, which both make it easier to engage in lifestyle changes that can have a tremendous effect upon wellness and vitality. Most HGH therapy patients can expect to see modest weight loss even without a change in lifestyle over the course of 6 months of treatment. Those that adopt a meaningful workout plan and adopt an improved diet will see results that are significantly improved with the assistance of hormone replacement therapy. If you've experienced weight gain as you've grown older, along with other symptoms associated with human growth hormone deficiency, it would benefit you to have your hormone balance evaluated. Our licensed hormone clinic provides diagnostic evaluation and treatment to patients just like you. And we work with doctors in your area so that you can discover whether you are a candidate for HRT treatment without ever leaving your hometown. Contact us for a free consultation.